Right after he says no, enough to work now.
Wow.
I mean, like, how does that even happen?
So we have Ryan Pacyga from ArrestedMinnesota.com here with us. Now tell me, how much trouble are those cops in?
They are in a world of hurt.
It seems like it, right?
It sounds like it was an unconstitutional traffic stop. The law requires reasonable, articulable suspicion that the law was, is, or is about to be broken for officers to pull somebody over. So merely on a whim or idle curiosity isn't enough, and the rodeo board can't just say, pull this person over because he might have been video recording.
So what could these cops get? Like, in terms of punishment, what could happen?
Well, punishment, they could be disciplined privately by their own police department. In addition to that, they could be sued for what's called a 1983 violation, which is a federal law that says officers can't willfully disregard people's civil rights in order to advance their police interests.
Wow. That's
so
awesome.
He's got some damages here for emotional distress.
Now, I didn't know that these dash cam videos are just public record. You could just go check out your own traffic stop?
Well, you can. Anytime you're the subject of a police intrusion, you have a right to see what they've recorded.
Wow.
So,
interesting.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of videos, we got a couple of questions here for Ryan Pacyga. Now, if you have a question that you would want to ask for a criminal defense attorney, but you don't want to pay him, this is your chance to do it on this show. Go ahead with the first question.
Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Dave. Last week I was speeding in my car and the police officer said I was doing 70 miles per hour in a 50 mile per hour zone. And then when I asked him to see the radar, he wouldn't show it to me. Is that possible? Can I fight this? Can I get out of this ticket? Because it's a lot of money that I can't afford right now.
Yeah, I always thought they had to show you. I never asked. I never had the guts to ask, but I always thought they had to show you.
Yeah, they don't actually have to show you. I mean, a lot of officers are willing to show you that, but they do not need to show you their radar.
So you don't have any, I mean, you just have to take their word for it?
That's right.
No kidding.
Wow.
All right, dude, sorry. Next question for Ryan Pacyga.
Hey guys, my name is Katie. So I have a question for you. I was dating an NBA player and we have a child together and he was cut from the team and he's trying to get out of paying child support. Do you have any suggestions on what I can do?
Oh, I want to know who she was dating.
Oh my God. Oh, I want to know which player it was.
Well, she should talk to a family law attorney. Family law attorneys handle things not only about divorces, but child custody, child support enforcement, and the like. So she would have claims for child support, whether he's playing in the NBA or he's working at your local hardware store. It doesn't matter. How much she's going to get is dependent upon how much he made, how much assets he has now, and how much he's currently making.
Is there any way we can subpoena her to find out who it is?
Let's find a way to do that.
Right.
And you know, from me, totally no legal background whatsoever, I would suggest that you date more talented players in the NBA, and maybe you won't have these problems in the future. Ryan Pacyga from ArrestedMN.com. Thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.